everyone, Cheryl here today with TLC Designs, and today's project share is going to be just showing you how I created this darling little easel card. And all I'm going to be showing today is the measurements and just putting it together. I won't be doing the decorating on it. So let's go ahead and get started. So the first thing we're going to want to do is pick our dies, and I chose to use the TLC Designs, the Tiny Vine Oval, and I did use both of the frames, which I have pre-cut here, and so I have both of those, and then I'll decorate later adding more vines, but then I did choose to use the tag part out of the TLC Designs Loving Petals Square. And the design paper pack I chose is this Darling Fairyland. And I picked the flowers and then the pink out of that. So now that we have our dies picked out, I do keep the frame out, the actual die. I use that, and typically I'll put it down and do some dusting around the edges. You can stamp first. I'm going to save that for later because I'm not really sure what stamp I'm going to use on this. So we'll set those aside. The next thing you're going to need is a piece of cardstock that measures 3.5 by 8 inches, and we're going to go ahead and score that really quick here. So basically we want to score it in half, and that's going to give us our card, and then we want to come and score it at the 2-inch mark, and then let's just go ahead and press that, and this creates the base part of our easel. And so we have that done, and then the next thing I want to do is get my pieces glued down. That way I can add my dots. You don't have to add dots, and you can add other layers. Like if you were using a base of a white and you wanted to use a black, then you'll cut these. So on the pieces for this, we have the inside piece is 3.25 by 3 3/4. And then I believe this piece here was 1 3/4 by 3. I didn't measure that. Let me make sure. So I swear it's 1 3/4. Oh, I lied. By 3 1/4. I should have wrote that down. So 1 3/4. 1 3/4 by 3 1/4. So let me double check this one then. This one's 3 1/4 by 3 3/4. Okay. I just wanted to make sure. So the next thing we're going to do is grab some glue. And we just want to glue this piece down. Now you can use your sticky tape or score tape. And then just give that a good press. Okay. So we have the inside now. And for this part right here, I didn't cut another piece, but you can cut just a little piece of paper and stamp your little sentiment, or you could use the butterfly, so that way when the card is to stand, so you could put a butterfly on both sides or just one. That's up to you. I'm leaving this one for now because I'm still not sure what I'm going to put there for a sentiment, or if I'm going to use maybe another alicorn or what. So I figured today I'll just show how I put this card together. So let's just press that down really good. And of course I got to add my dots. So I'll just come along here and then just get these on. I was going to get them already on, and then I thought, you know what? No, we'll just put them on while we do the video. The little easel cards are so much fun to make. This one's smaller than my normal size. Typically I'll do a 6x6. But I thought, oh, I want to use for the main part the oval die, and so that's why I did the card the size that I did. So this card ends up measuring, I believe, 3.5 by 4.25. I think it measures a little bit taller than what the card is. So the card would be 3.5 by 4. So it's probably like 4.25-ish with the oval on it. And it still leaves room inside to write. I guess if you needed to write more, you could put a white piece of paper on the back and then add your journaling back there if you wanted. So you have options on that. So now to attach this, and I'm going to leave this piece off too, but I am going to show attaching this little, the oval to this. Oops. So basically what I did was, now you can come in and do a little mark if you wanted. What I did was I put it where I thought that I wanted this. Oops. And then just add some glue. And then you can kind of get it centered. So we want this not to hit below, and then get it pressed really good. And if you have any glue on the back, we want to wipe that up now. Okay, so that should hold that pretty well. And there you have it. And so now you have your easel card to go ahead and decorate. And then I'll go ahead and decorate the main piece up and attach it. I did use, to give it quite a bit of dimension, I did use the thicker dots, or the tabs, sorry, just to give it more height. And there you have that. And I hope you enjoyed my little video tutorial today. And thank you for stopping by. And if you liked my video, please give me a thumbs up. And if you'd like to see more videos, please follow. And thank you so much and have a good day.